Hi everyone, my name is Lauren and welcome to another unboxing video. I've been waiting for this for so long. I ordered this thing in September and it's finally arrived. So today we're going to be unboxing my new graphics card, which is the Asus NVIDIA RTX 3080, and I'm so excited. It's a beast, okay? It's a beast. We all know the launch was freaking crazy to try and get your hands on one, but I managed to, so let's unbox this bad boy. First of all, my first impression is that it came in a beautiful box, which feels amazing. I built my computer about 4 years ago, so it's nice to have another upgrade. Oh god, I keep ripping the box! This is going really well. Oh, it's a tight fit, isn't it? Don't make the joke, guys, don't make the joke. I'm going to keep the box there in case you want to stare at it. And next up, we have this beautiful cardboard box, which is matte black, and it has Asus on it in front, and it says, "In search of incredible." Sounds great. This box is incredible. I know that not all graphics cards from the RTX lounge or the 3080 lounge were packaged the same way. Apparently the Asus one is quite nice. So I guess I decided well. So yeah, let's open this up. The contents. Take this out. Okay, let me. As you know, I am clumsy. My unboxings are always a bit weird. So here's the graphics card, which is the main part of the unboxing, I guess. And then if we take out the bottom part of the foam, and then we have a manual. Got a manual. Got a certificate of reliability, which is great. We've also got a thank you card from Asus for saying thank you for purchasing. Just a random card from TUF Gaming. Thanks TUF Gaming. Also, something else that came in a box when I ordered it was a face mask to be in COVID spirit. So here's some ASMR for you. Here we go, it's a Scan. Thanks Scan for giving me a face mask that's currently flopping around my table. COVID 2020 unboxings now include face masks as well. It's here! Oh wow. Oh, I like the little signs on them, they look cool. Little logos. And God, it's a hefty one, isn't it? Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to play Cyberpunk with this in my computer. So exciting to try to ray tracing and do all sorts of things. So, alright guys, I think that was it for this unboxing. I don't really know what else I can show you, what else I can say. I just want to say thank you for watching this video, and make sure that if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Alright, have a lovely day. See y'all later. Bye!